Yes, okay. Yesterday we were discussing our first exercise 2.1. Yes. Now we have to continue those remaining problems from that exercise 2.1. 2.1. Okay. Fourth question. Yeah. Third one already we have did. Yes. Means the magic square box. We checked it whether it is a magic or not. Yes, it is a magic square box. Now we are going to the fourth question. Fractions and decimals. So we are in a fourth question. Yes. What is that fourth question here? Yes, what is that fourth question here? A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter long. Yes, there is a one of the rectangular piece of paper. So, what is the length of this paper here? What is the length? 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter and width is 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter. Width is 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter and length is 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter. Next, find its perimeter. Yesterday I have given same question. Finding the perimeter. How we have to find the perimeter of this rectangular sheet of paper? Yes, already we know the formula. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times of length plus breadth. What is the length here? So given thing length is 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter and what is the width? Width means what here? Breadth of the rectangle is 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter. Yes, apply the formula. Yes, in the formula we have to put is on 2 into 12 integer 1 by 2 plus 10 integer 2 by 3. You know how to simplify this one? Yes or no? Yes, just simplify this one. 2 as it is, 12 2s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 2, 10 3s are 30 plus 2, 32 by 3. Now LCM of 2 and 3, 6. So 2 how much are 6? 2 3s are 6, then 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now keep 2 as it is. 25 3s are 75 plus 32 2s are 64 divided by 6. Now 2 into 5 plus 4 9, 7 plus 6 31, 39 by 6 it is. 2 1s are 2 3s are, then 139 by 3. Is it get cancelled? Yes. No, it's not get cancelled. Means you can write it in the mixed fraction form. Yes. 3 4s are 12, then 3 6s are 18, 1 is the remainder, 46 integer 1 by 3 centimeter. It is the perimeter of the given rectangle. So easiest question it is. Yes. Is it visible? Is it visible? Yes. Yes, clear? Okay. Take this one. Next shall we go for the fifth question? Yes, is it over now? Now we are taking the question fifth from the exercise 2.1. We are continuing that 2.1 exercise here. Fourth one is solved now. Now we will take the fifth one. Find the perimeters of the triangle ABE. One of the picture he has given in your right side of the page. This is a given picture. Here the triangle ABE perimeter as well as rectangle BCDE perimeter we have to find in this given figure. whose perimeter is greater, whether the perimeter of the triangle is more or whether the perimeter of the rectangle is more, he asked you. Okay, now just I will draw this picture. What is the given picture? First we have to take. Yes. Okay. Yes, what is this picture here? There is a rectangle BCDE and its length he has given as well as triangle sides also he has given. Then we have to find the perimeter of both triangle ABE as well as the rectangle BCDE. Then we have to compare which perimeter is more. Yes. So there is a rectangle here. What is the length of this rectangle he has given? Length is 2 integer 3 by 4 centimeter. 2 integer 3 by 4 centimeter. What is the breadth here? 7 by 6 centimeter. It is a breadth 7 by 6 centimeter. Then on this rectangle there is a one of the triangle named as ABE. ABE. See, it is thick. And the sides of the triangle are one, it is 3 integer 3 by 5 centimeter and one more 5 by 2 centimeter. It is 5 by 2 centimeter. Yes. Now we have to find first the perimeter of the triangle ABE. What is the perimeter of the triangle? Just we will add all three sides of the triangle for getting the perimeter of the triangle. Yes. Okay, here perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle ABE. Perimeter of triangle ABE. Equal to all three sides we are adding. Just it is a triangle ABE. What is the third side here? 2 integer 3 by 4 centimeter. What is this one? 3 integer 3 by 5 centimeter and it is 5 by 2 centimeter. Okay. Just triangle ABE is equal to all three sides we have to add. A plus B plus C. What is the A? Anyone you can take 5 by 2 plus 2 integer 3 by 4 plus 3 integer 3 by 5. You know how to add these three fractions easily. Yes, one improper to mixed fraction. You know how to add this one. Okay. Just keep your 5 by 2 as it is. Plus 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3. 11 divided by 4. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3. 18 divided by 5. Now you got the different denominators. What is the LCM of 2, 4, 5? 5 4s are also 20. 2 10s are also 20. 4 5s are also 20. Yes. In all these three tables there is a 20 as a least common multiple. Okay. So to how much are 20? Please do how much are 20? 2 10s are 20. Yes. Then 4 how much are? 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Then 5 how much are 20? 5 how much are 20? 5 4s are 20. Okay. So 18 divided by 5. Now just simplify this one. 5 10s are 50 by 20 plus 11 5s are 55 by 20 plus 18 4s are 72 by 20. Together I will keep here. 50 plus 55 105. 105 plus 2 107. 107 plus 70 177. Yes or no? Yes, 177. It is not in the table 20, so we can keep this one in a mixed fraction. here by 2. You will get the proper fractions, like fraction. Now 2 into 11 3s are 33 by 12 plus 7 2s are 33 by 12 plus 7 2s are 14 by 12. Now 2 into 3 4 7 3 1 47 by 12. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. Now we can keep 47 by 6 in the mixed fraction. Yes. 6 7 ja 42. Remaining, the remainder is what? Divided by 6 centimeter. Whose perimeter is more here? Perimeter of the rectangle is more or perimeter of the triangle is more? Yes, the triangle it is more. Yes or no? The perimeter of the triangle is more than the perimeter of the rectangle. Easiest question. Yes, all of you seeing this one? Miss, it's not visible. Okay, now is it okay? Yes. Take it now. Yes. I hope everyone you have written this one. Yes, clear? Now shall I take the next question? Next question, sixth one. Okay, this question is the fifth one. Next question, sixth question. Shall we go? Is it over? Yes, okay. Next I will go for the question number 6. Okay, take here. The question number 6th one. What is the question? Just all of you read loudly. Everyone, please loudly. Yes, what's that question 6? Read loudly. Yes. Good. Okay. Sixth question. What it is? Shalil wants to put a picture in a frame. Yes. So many of you are your first birthday photography. You are putting a frame for that. Frame means output border. Framing the photo. Frame of the photo. What you are telling? Output border. You are putting. So same way, Shalil wants to put a picture in a frame. Is one of the pictures he wants to put in a frame. The picture is 7 integer 3 by 5 centimeter wide. Yes. This is a Salim's picture. The picture is how much? 7 integer 3 by 5 centimeter width it is. Okay. To fit it in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 integer 3 by 10 centimeter wide. So this one if you want to put in a frame, its width should be cannot be more than 7 integer 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? How much should the picture be trimmed means cutting. Yes, trimming the nails you are telling. So same way we are cutting that picture. It is not adjusting in that frame. So for that purpose, what was the adjustment in this one? How much we want that picture? This is the frame here. How much width we want? Just 7 integer 3 by 10 centimeter of width we want. Yes. So this much of the picture we want to cut it. Yes or no? How much we have to trim? This black color what I am showing, this much of width we want to trim here. So total in the total length how much you want to trim? How much size you want? That if you subtract you will get the how much you want to trim. ಈಗ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? This is the length of the photo. Just I want the this much and this much of the photo for adjusting in the frame. So what I will do? in total length how much I want, that if I subtract how much I have trimmed, I will get it. Means in the width, real width of that picture, if I remove the how much required length, then I will get the trimmed length of the picture. Clear? Okay. Trimming length of the picture. Length of picture is equal to its width minus required width. Its width minus required width means its initial width minus, or you can take its initial width minus required width. Okay. So initially what was the width of this one? 7 integer to 3 by 5 centimeter minus 7 integer 3 by 10 centimeter. Okay. So now first you have to convert these two in a mixed improper fraction, or else you can follow the first method of the addition subtraction. So what is the first method? 7 minus 7 plus of 3 by 5 minus 3 by 10. Then what is the LCM here? 7 minus 7, 0 plus LCM 10. 5 2s are 10. 10 1s are, sorry, this is subtraction. 10 1s are 10. Okay. Now 0 plus 3 2s are 6 by 10. Then minus 3 by 10. Okay. 0 plus means wherever you have to add the 0, its value is that number itself. So I will not consider now the 0. 6 minus 3, 3 divided by 10 centimeter length should be trimmed by that photograph for adjusting in the frame. Clear? So better you have to understand that story problem clearly. Yes? Yes, is it over? Yes, next shall we go for the next question? Yes, okay. Next I will take the question number 7th one. Just turn your page. We have the question number 7. Yes, take this one fast. What is the 7th question? Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple. Yes, there is an apple. In that apple, Ritu's mother cut that apple into how many equal parts? 5 equal parts. Out of 5 equal parts, Ritu ate only 3 parts. Means Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of the apple. 3 by 5 part of the apple. And the remaining apple was eaten by her brother. So, remaining part means remaining 2 pieces eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? Very interesting question, easiest question. Just you should know how to cut the apple. Yes, what you are asking? Cutting the apple is difficult to us? No, so easy. Then eating the apple also so easy. Yes? Okay. Now here there are 2 siblings. One is Ritu and his brother Somu. And in between Somu and Ritu there is one of the apple. Yes, there is an apple. This apple they have divided into 5 equal parts. So Ritu and Somu, or else Ritu's mother, she has divided this apple into 5 equal parts. Out of 5 equal parts, 3 by 5 means out of 5 equal parts, 3 parts 8 by whose it is? Ritu, and remaining 3 by 5, and in a whole apple, if you remove 3 by 5, it is a share of the sum. Yes or no? In a whole apple, you are dividing this whole apple into how many equal parts? 5 equal parts. Means shall I write in place of 1? Shall I write 5 by 5 as a 1? No issue. 5 divided by 5 means 5 into 5. So I will take here 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Yes, no problem. Now the denominators are same. 5 here. 5 minus 3. 2 by 5 part of the apple. 8 by sum. 2 by 5 part of apple. 8 by from sum. Okay. Next question is what here? Whose share is more? Who ate more apple here? Please, by using this picture only you can understand. Whose share is more? Either Ritu's is more or Somu's is more. Ritu 3 piece ತಿಂದಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೋಮು ಕಲ 2 piece ತಿಂದಾನು. ಯಾರ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿಂದಾನು? Ritu ate more apple by how much? By 1 piece extra. Yes? Okay. Next concept here, next question. Ritu ate more apple by how much? Yes, more apple by how much? In a Ritu set, we have to remove. So Somu set. Ritu how much? 3 by 5. Somu 2 by 5. 5 is a common. 3 minus 2. 1. 1 by 5 part of apple. It is 8 more by Ritu. Clear? Easiest question? Yes. Okay. Next question. Shall we go for the next one? It is the 7th question. Next one, last question in this one. 8th question. Yes, is it over? Clear. Next question, 8.1. What is the 8th question here? First we have to read that question. Michael finished coloring picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So, two students are two friends, Michael as well as Vaibhav. There are two friends here. One is Michael and one more is Vaibhav. They are coloring the picture. Drawing class. They are coloring the picture. Yes, they are coloring the picture. So, Michael colored in 7 by 12 hour. Yes, Michael colored in 7 by how many hours? 7 by 12 hours. And one more point we will see. Vaibhav took the time for coloring the picture. How many hours? Vaibhav take the time 3 by 4 hours. Who have taken more time or longer time and by what fraction? So what is this question here? Comparing the fractions. Yes, this comparison of the fraction you have studied in the class 6. And again yesterday I have shown you how to compare the fraction in a second question. Where that question? What was that? Arranging the fractions in ascending order. So same way we have to solve this one. Descending order we have solved. Okay. Now we have to compare in between 7 by 12 and 3 by 4. First in a comparison also what we are doing? First we have to convert the given fraction into like fraction. Like fraction in the sense we have to make the denominator same. So here in 12 table also there is a 12, in 4 table also there is a 12. So which is the least common multiple? then 12 1 ja 12, then we will get the fraction as 7 by 12 it is 3 3 ja 9 by 12. If the denominators are same, then how can we compare the fraction? Which fraction has the greater numerator? That is the greater fraction. Then who took the longer time? Vaibhav took the longer time. By how much? By what fraction? We will do now. Yes, we can take here. Vaibhav took the longer time. Take the longer time. By how much? By how much? By what fraction? 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. So denominator is same. 9 minus 7 is what? 2 by 12. We can write it as 1 by 6 hours. It took more time. That is 1 by 6 hours. Yes. So it is your exercise problems based on addition as well as subtraction of the fraction. It is over. Now, in the next class, means on Monday's class, we will take the new concept, that is multiplication as well as division of the fraction. Are you ready? Today the strength of the 7th class is very low, just 40 members. Every day you are attending at least 50-60 members, but today it is a 40, very less number. Why? Saturday you all are sleeping here. Be alert. Okay. All of you got this, all the problems from this exercise 1 to 8th question? Yes. Okay, now it is a time to discuss with you. Whatever the doubts you have, you can ask me now.